बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली व बारिक अला रसूलिहिल करीम व खातमुन नबिय्यीन सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। Welcome to Working and Earning Tech channel. In this video we will show you how to repair one freezer, one fridge. Here we see totally ice, upside cabin, gas, compressor, other tools, other system very well working. The main problem with this fridge, the timer that's gone, we need to replace with new one. Now come to the point, we remove the timer. Remove the locks softly. Purchase same company and same grip style, grip loop. Here you can see we remove the cover from inside, and also fan was jammed with ice. See, totally evaporator covered with ice. We need to replace timer backside. Actually there is down side one heater, this area for heater. The timer doesn't supply the electricity to the heater. Now we replace new timer and we will check this manually. Regrip softly and then come to check inside. You will see all the ice melted with heater. ये हीटर इसको तब्दील कर दें, बस इसमें यही फॉल्ट था। मीटर से इसको चेक कर लें, देखें अंदर ice gone now totally. Like and subscribe for more videos. See solution for problems. Take care of yourself, and again cover the timer area with screw.